Hey guys, Spartan from SpartanTrading.com. I want to give you guys an updated video on FMST. Why? Because the timing is right now. Now this is disseminated on behalf of FMST, and let's get right into it. Now, in every investor's journey, there's a few rare opportunities that stand out, where macro trends, geopolitical shifts, and company structures align perfectly. And today, we're spotlighting one of those rare plays, FMST, foremost on the NASDAQ. Now, foremost is the only Canadian uranium play on the NASDAQ, and it's flying under the radar right now, backed by Denison Mines with a high 10 potential project across 330,000 acres in Saskatchewan, the legendary Athabasca Basin. Now, this is going to be part of the ring of fire as well that the Canadian government is talking about reinvigorating. The FMST is sitting on some of the highest grade uranium real estate on the earth, which has been typical of the Athabasca Basin, which they are currently in the discovery process at the moment. So let's talk timing. Now, demand for electricity is booming. AI, EV, data centers, they all need stable, always-on power electricity. And guess what? Nuclear is coming back from this. With a 92% capacity factor, nuclear energy outperforms solar and wind dramatically. And the world knows this. I mean, over 200 countries have pledged to triple nuclear capacity in 2050, and 22 of those countries are actively doing it at the moment. Now, they are the new SMRs, which are the small modular reactors, and they're coming online a little bit faster and definitely a lot cheaper than the traditional plants, which means there's going to be more uranium being used faster. Now, let's get into FMST. So, number one, why? NASDAQ listed. What does that mean? More liquidity, broader exposure, and better visibility than all the other juniors that are not on the NASDAQ. Number two, strategically, they have a partnership with Denison. And Denison Mines isn't just investing, they're involved with a 20% stake and their CEO on foremost board. So this isn't just lip service, it's validation in that regard. And number three, drill-ready portfolio. So they already have a full funded $6.5 million program, and it's in motion with 2025 drilling targeted at Hatchet Lake, Murphy Lake, and more. So Hatchet Lake, and let's go through some of these properties. Hatchet Lake, for instance, already hit uranium in 2024. Murphy Lake South sits near major producing corridors, and new airborne surveys that just went out are guiding future drilling across the blue sky properties. Meanwhile, lithium assets in the Manitoba and Quebec offer bonus upside, especially as demand for EV batteries accelerate. Let's zoom out though. Uranium prices are finally moving off the lows, and if we do take a look at the uranium chart, we can see that it's reclaimed some nice EMA support. It's got a nice curl to the upside with continuation higher. It's coming off a 2 or 3 year low. Let's say about a 2 year, let's call it about a 2 year low at the moment. We haven't really seen uranium price appreciation in a long time, but we have that downturn break, EMA support reclaim, and we got some nice room for continuation higher. So as we zoom out, we can see that uranium prices are finally moving up. And after pretty much a decade of underinvestment, the supply is tight and demand is starting to explode a little bit. Now, Foremost has just 10.3 million shares outstanding. Insider ownership and trades at a steep discount compared to its peers like NextGen or Fission, according to Zacks. And there's if you do take Zacks targets, 500% potential to the upside. Now, this is a classic asymmetric setup, high leverage, tier one partnership, catalyst rich year, and we got the full year ahead of discovery. So as the world races to power AI, decarbonize the grid, and secure energy independence, uranium is the key. And FMST may be one of the best positioned explorers on the map. This isn't 2007, it's a new uranium cycle. And Foremost Clean Energy could be one of the most explosive small caps of 2025. So if you're looking for a high upside speculation with real assets, a real plan, real backing, put FMST on your radar. Now, this video is for informational purposes only, of course. Do your own due diligence, guys. Take a look at my thesis. Take a look at everything that I have laid out here for you, all the recent news, all the information about the company itself. You can find it at SpartanTrading.com. It will also be linked in the description of this video as well. Thanks for watching, my friends, and we'll chat to you shortly. Have a good one.